At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a glass cleaning business can be a lucrative venture with the right approach. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Begin by researching your local market to understand the demand for glass cleaning services, competition, pricing, and potential customers. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your business goals, target market, services offered, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. 3. Legal considerations. Choose a business structure, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc. Register your business name and obtain any necessary permits or licenses required in your area. 4. Insurance. Purchase liability insurance to protect your business from any potential claims or damages. 5. Equipment and supplies. Invest in high-quality cleaning equipment and supplies such as squeegees, microfiber cloths, extension poles, cleaning solutions, and safety gear. 6. Training. Ensure that you and your employees are properly trained in glass cleaning techniques, safety procedures, and customer service skills. 7. Marketing and branding. Create a strong brand identity including a professional logo, website, and marketing materials. Utilize online and offline marketing strategies such as social media, local advertising, and networking to attract customers. 8. Pricing. Determine your pricing structure based on factors such as the size and complexity of the job, competition, and market demand. Consider offering discounts or promotions to attract new customers initially. 9. Customer service. Focus on providing exceptional customer service to build a loyal customer base and generate positive word-of-mouth referrals. 10. Expansion and diversification. As your business grows, consider expanding your services to include related offerings such as window tinting, pressure washing, or gutter cleaning to increase revenue streams. 11. Feedback and improvement. Continuously gather feedback from customers to identify areas for improvement and refine your services to meet their needs effectively. 12. Stay compliant. Ensure that you comply with all health and safety regulations, including proper disposal of cleaning chemicals and adherence to environmental guidelines. Remember that consistency, reliability, and quality service are key factors in building a successful glass cleaning business. With dedication, hard work, and a customer-centric approach, you can establish a thriving enterprise in this industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.